Yeah, I love like the seats and everything. Very cool.
Mercedes, which didn't even.
Pull up.
Yeah.
Does this have a dual clutch train in it? Or do you know?
It does, yeah. 8-speed, dual clutch.
Okay.
That'd be my first time. No, Mitch
Sit in
Josh
the
won't
passenger seat?
drive it. What's that?
Sit in the passenger seat?
Yeah, it's a very little time in the
Why won't Josh drive it?
I don't know. He's afraid he's going to wreck it or something. I'm like, dude, I'm in it with you. Mitch was driving the shit out of it.
This has traction control, right?
Yeah, it does.
My racetrack is under construction, which is McKellis.
Oh, can you go fast there?
They only have 2 streets that cross it, and for a long time it's between Tempe, Scottsdale, and the reservation. So like no one was policing it. I mean, I've been 130 miles an hour, 140 miles an hour.
Oh wow.
Down
through the res that way. It'll get up and go. What you could do is 0 to 60 time too.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Does it do it automatically for you?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Okay.
I think you can do it now. I don't know. Press this.
Okay.
Yeah, 0 to. Oh, you did it twice. There we go. So if you come to a dead stop, it'll time you 0 to 60.
Really?
So if you just stop, is there one behind you?
No, but I'll do it on the access road.
Okay.
Yeah, so I did my friend's got a CTSV. We did a 10-second CTSV. We did a transmission, and I called him up. I said, it's done, I think. What do you mean you think? I said, I don't drive it like hard. It's your car. So he came down and took it for a spin, turned the traction control off, showed me how to drive it. It was scary fast. So then I can't stop. Oh boy, I get some loose, doesn't it? Shit! I never got to 60.
Did it give you a time? Oh, you didn't get to 60.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Holy shit, man. That thing...
That's fucking quick.
It is, yeah.
And the thing that's insane is they made 2 more faster than this.
Really?
Yeah, this is 500 horse. They made a 660 horse, and now they have like, I don't know, it's like 1,000 horse.
It's interesting to have the motor back here, right?
It is, yeah.
I drove a Pantera once.
When I first started driving this, I had the sensation that the rear wheels were going to spin around. Like on cornering hard, I had this, because I'm used to muscle cars.
Right.
With all this weight on the front end.
Get all the weight on the rear tires.
And they're freaking wide as can be.
Well, it felt like it broke loose.
It did, yeah.
Yeah.
They're not, the tires, you need to get them popped up,
Yeah.
Like melted practically.
Sticky.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's when you know that. When your eyes twitch.
And when you let off, because I'm going to go off,
Well, that CTSV, he said because I'm like, I was scared to turn on traction control because I didn't want to wrap it around a tree,
Right.
And so he turned it off.
Not in public roads.
Yeah. He turned it off, and he goes, and that thing never...
Oh, here's a cool thing. Check this out. This will be different now. The Z button. Look over here. It cranks all this stuff up. So that's your traction, I think. It's not all the way off, but that's what I do on the track.
Okay.
Yeah, so everything's full here. You heard the engine noise, the engine change.
Okay.
You hear it click, click. It opened up some baffles or something.
Really?
On the exhaust. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I heard the difference.
So here's touring mode. So you're just in touring, the lowest mode.
Okay.
You see how low everything is?
Okay. All right. Okay. Tightens up suspension.
Yeah.
Steering feel. Yeah, so he drives his car and he's like, yeah, you just kind of steer with the throttle, and he's feathering the...
Yeah, I wish I knew how to do that.
Yeah. And, because, it was...
That takes some practice, I'm sure.
What
was he driving?
CTSV.
Okay.
So it would...
I think there's a school for those, too.
9.8, quarter mile. Which is pretty fast for a cat.
Yeah, I guess braking 10 is really fast. I don't really know quarter mile times that well.
Right.
Braking 10 is really fast.
10's fast.
Is it? It's a huge motor, right?
CTSV, it's like a 6.2, but he had a supercharger on it. And
From the factory, or did he add that?
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's insane. So he's probably 800 horsepower or something like that.
yeah, 800 horse.
Yeah.
How much horse is this thing?
This is 495.
Okay.
Basically.
God, 495. Yeah.
They did a good job on this car.
See, when you get up in that 800 horsepower range, I mean, you fucking launch the motor a few times. You know, it's not like, because there's a turning point where they become like too hopped up.
What do you mean launch the motor?
You know, gaskets, blew a hole in the head.
That's starting to get to serious dollars,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
That's why I'm
But he's
like a
like,
factory guy. I'm like, no, just fucking
Keep
do
it
it.
stuck.
Yeah.
Because that's what happens. Performance time or something wrong.
Oh yeah, it started.
This is
let's
0 to
just
60?
get out of there. Let's stop that.
Okay.
Should be good, but you don't want to do it on the corner.
Yeah, no.
But yeah, let's just go here.
I learned.
If you want to do it again,
I learned you got to be going in a straight line.
Yeah, I drive like I was doing that shit when I first got it. It's March will be 3 years.
Oh, really?
I'll be out of warranty, so now's the time to do it.
Yeah, right.
No, but I'm like, I drive it so mellow now. I just love the car. It's
Oh,
just
yeah.
so fun,
Great
just to
car.
cruise it like this. It's got a magnetic ride on it,
Okay.
so that's supposed to have made it super smooth.
Well, I won't be able to
There's a lot of vents.
It's not really nice.
What's that?
Picks off the gears really nice.
Yeah.
Tick, 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 tick.
Oh, you know the tranny.
Yeah.
The tranny's supposed to be sweet. Dual clutch.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that means, but
It means that,
is it quicker? So it shifts faster?
yeah, you got shift rail. You got 2 shift rails. 1, 3, 5, and 7 are on one shift rail, or one shaft. And then you got 2, 4, 6, and 8 are on another. So it's already engaged, so it happens very quickly. It's just different clutch. You know, because one clutch controls one set of those gears, and one clutch controls the other. They all operate a little different, but it's the same concept.
Yeah.
So I mean, all the Porsches are dual clutch anymore.
Right. And they're like 2 or 3 times the amount of money as this.
Yeah.
So GM did a fucking great job on this car, I think.
Yeah.
Even the interior, it's not so plasticky
Super
and cheesy.
nice.
As
Yeah. Matt Allen brought a Porsche,
I know. I see it all over Facebook.
right? He and I are not friends anymore.
Oh no, what happened?
Yeah, I did my podcast, Bumper to Bumper podcast.
Right, he talked to me about that at the swap thing, the swap
Yeah.
expo.
He goes, you use the same name practically and the same logo, practically. I go, yeah, I did, because I fucking came up with the name and I came up with the logo. Actually, I didn't even answer him because it was a total fucking
Yeah,
deal.
they didn't fucking pay you for it.
They didn't pay me for
They
it.
shouldn't pay you. That's your your intellectual
Yeah.
property. You know,
Yeah,
like you
that's-
own that property. There,
definitely.
you got to do one more. So you got to start. You got to start here. So you got to get to 60 though.
Gotta get to 60.
Don't hit the fucking island.
No, I think I'll get out ahead of this guy. I'll
Yeah,
have more
I think
free
you
space. Okay, 4.2.
Yeah, that was slick. That was not good surface because I
Right.
did 3.5s all day.
Really?
long. Yeah. Whatever you were on wasn't good traction.
When it
it's
makes
supposed
you-
to do.
when it
Factory
makes you
says
laugh-
below 3. Oh yeah.
When it makes you laugh, But if
think
your
when-
tires are warmed up and sticky, it'd
Yeah.
be probably a lot better.
What I love too is it tells you the tire temperature up the upper left. They're just normal right now.
How does it know?
I don't know. It's probably that little sensor or something.
So anyway, yeah, he sent me. He sent me like a fucked up text,
Yeah.
and then I responded nicely. He sent me another fucked up text, and I responded to him again.
Yeah.
I called him because we had a case in the BBB, and I wanted to see, if he wanted to compare notes before we arbitrated a case. He didn't respond to me. Then we got there, and he fucking sucked. He was such a dick to the guy that was in there. He called him a liar, this and the other. And I totally won the room over. And the lady from the BBB is like, you need to be an arbitrator. You're so good at this. She goes, those guys guy's legs were shaking when he came in here. By the time he left, he was ready to write us a check. And he noticed his legs quit shaking. And I thought to myself, and Matt called the other guy that was in the meeting, and they compared notes, and they fucked it up. Just old people, old relationships.
Yeah, you definitely have a way. And I know just without getting, I get angry. You're angry, but you can manage it. I'm just the fucking dynamite. I just go off and just explode. Even this Charlie Kirk thing, everyone's talking about how happy, how pissed off they are. Part of my process is I'm super sad. I don't know if you know the guy or know anything about him.
I didn't know anything about him, but all they did was make him a big deal because I've watched hours of his debates now at this point.
You can't park on the street anymore like you used to. Yeah, no, I haven't. I've seen him. I knew who he was, and just the thought of a fucking 30-06 bullet hitting you in the fucking neck. If that doesn't make you cry, that some human being who's just talking.
Yeah.
He's not doing anything. He's just talking.
Yeah.
He's not hurting anyone. He's not a threat to anyone.
Right.
He just uses his mouth.
Yeah.
And it just makes me so sad. When I hear these reports, I start.
Are you gonna go to a ceremony Saturday?
Yeah, I heard about that. That sounds cool. I don't know if I think we're gonna be in flag, so I'll be able to hear that.
Does it have a camera up front so I can see how close I am?
Yeah.
So you got that
lower than the curve.
Yeah, that's the first way auto shops fuck up cars is
just the curve. Yeah, be careful.
We're so used to. I'm putting my main guy on.
Okay.
Okay, shut up.